Hello folks, I'd like to share with you a love affair I have just found. At almost 67, I didn't think it was possible to have a love affair, but there is. And what is it with? Leeks. Oh my heavens. I never really found leeks in my cooking. I just bypassed it in the grocery store, looking at them and going, oh, what the heck is that? And what do they taste like? And I figured they were oniony, you know, the onion family. So I bought some leeks, and I made leek and potato soup. Oh, my land, folks, let me tell you. It was out of this world. My love affair had begun. I went online looking for leek recipes. There were all kinds, but I wanted a book. So I ordered a book from Amazon, and you're looking at it right now. So I have gone through it, and as you can see, it has little markings of things that I want to try. Every recipe in here, I believe except for maybe one or two, are leeks. Now, the one that interested me was soup in Norway. And this contained, let's see if I can hold this. This contained yellow sweet peas, not sweet peas, but split peas. I like the green ones. Celery, ham, leeks, onion, salt, thyme, water, potatoes, and rutabaga. Now that interested me because I'd never bought a rutabaga. I would pass by it in the grocery store going, what the heck is that thing? Looks prehistoric. And wonder what that tastes like. But over the past year, I suppose, I've been hearing people talk about rutabagas and how they loved it with mashed potatoes. So I'm going to give that a try. So I bought a rutabaga, and I got it delivered today. It was my food order, and it was humongous. And I thought, oh my God, what am I going to do with this? So I cut it up, and I divided it into freezer bags to save. And now it's all cubed and ready to go. Whenever I have a recipe that calls for rutabaga, I have it all ready. So I made the soup of Norway today with the green split pea instead of the yellow. It was delicious. I had to bring out my Dutch oven to cook it in. And it's over here drying. Let's see if I can bring it over here. I brought out the big boy. And because it called for 10 cups of water. So, and I thought that was excessive, but as it was, I needed to add a little extra water as time went by. And there's the leftovers. I also added my, okay, this is raw video. I also added my mustard greens that I had harvested last week. And it was wrapped up in paper towel and whatnot. But I tell you, this was out of this world delicious. So full of vitamins. Give it a try if you get a chance.